Question 3. What is the quantity of electricity that flows when a current of 0.5 amperes is passed through an electrolyte for 5 hours 45 minutes? Take 1 Faraday to be equal to 96,500 coulombs. A. 0.11 Faraday. B. 2.20 Faraday. C. 0.22 Faraday. D. 0.12 Faraday. The correct answer is A. 0.11 Faraday. So if we are converting 5 hours 45 minutes to seconds, it will be 1 hour will give you 3600 seconds. So that means 5 hours 45 minutes will be 5 times 3600 plus 45 times 60, which will give you 20,700 seconds. We know that charge is current times time. So we have 0.5 amperes times the time in seconds, which will give you 10,350 coulombs. But 1 Faraday gives you 96,500 coulombs. So if you divide it, you will get 0.11 Faraday.